What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, is the number 11 day of our 30 days Clickbank Make Money online challenge. And what I'm going to do is that in this quick video, I'm just going to show you guys the updates of what have been happening. I'm also going to go back to the account and see if you actually made any money or if you actually got any traffic on this 11th day. So this 11th day means that we have only 19 days to try and make money using 100% free traffic on Clickbank starting from scratch. So as I showed you guys in the last videos, I've created a lot more Pinterest accounts, and I'm also running two Instagram accounts, and also our TikTok account. So the first thing we're going to do from here, we're going to go to your dashboard and let's see if we actually made any money from here, because this is using 100% free traffic from scratch. So you can see from here we have not actually made any money, but we're actually making a lot of progress, and I'm sure that by the end of these 30 days right here, we are going to make a sale using 100% free traffic. That's why I'm showing you guys step by step everything that I'm doing, so that you can go and copy it as well. And hopefully by the end of this 30 days challenge, we are going to make some sales. So let's go to the reporting and see what has been happening inside our Clickbank account. So you can see from here, let this load. So you can see from here that yesterday, you can see we got 9 clicks, so that is increasing. So the clicks have increased from the other days, from 2 clicks, 3 clicks. Right now we have up to 9 clicks, and we need only one person to go and buy our affiliate offer for us to actually make money. So this is a very huge progress, and probably because of the Pinterest accounts that we're adding, and also posting consistently on Pinterest and also on the 2 Instagram accounts. So we got 9 clicks, and let's check for today how much traffic we got. I click on today, 26, click on apply. So you can see from here that we got right here we got 4 clicks, and you can see from here we have gotten, you can see right here, unique initial order form impression. So someone actually watched our sales video and they actually clicked and went to the page of the other page, which means that if the person, we are very close to making a sale, because if the person will buy, then we should have make a commission right today. So this is a very good improvement. So hopefully by the end of these remaining days, we're going to make our first sale. So I'm going to check, for example, right here. Let me go right here to tracking ID. Let me look for a tracking ID and see where we got our traffic from right here. So let me just go, let me check the tracking ID right here, TID. So as you can look from here, you can see that we got 2 clicks from TikTok and also got 2 clicks from our Pinterest account. So the person that went to the order form was from our Pinterest account. So we are very close to making our first sale, and hopefully by the end of this remaining 19 days, we are going to make our first sale, because we need only one person to go and buy our offer for us to make our first sale using 100% free traffic. So let's show, for example, by country and see where the people are actually coming from, the traffic is actually coming from. So let me go right here to the country, and we're going to see where people are coming from to buy our offer from here. You can see right here we got 2 clicks from the United States. We got right here 1 click from Great Britain, and you can see right here we got another click right here from Australia. So hopefully in these remaining days, we're going to continue getting clicks like this, and hopefully by the end of this 30 days challenge, we're going to make our first money using 100% free traffic. So let me show you guys the accounts. So if I go right here to firstly the TikTok accounts that we have been posting content on, you're going to see that I'm posting different styles of content consistently, and you're seeing that some of them are not getting views, but some of them are actually getting views. So all I'm doing here is posting consistently, and I'm looking for what is going to go viral, and I'm going to post more of that content. So you can go to the page and see exactly what I'm doing on those different accounts. So I'm posting, for example, before and after weight loss videos, I'm posting recipe videos, I'm posting workout videos, and also weight loss memes. And some of them are getting views, some of them are not getting any views, but it's going to take you time for your account to get recommended on TikTok, Instagram, or on Pinterest. So all you're going to do on those accounts is to post consistently, because if you give up fast, you're not going to get any traffic and you're not going to make any money, and you're going to lose your chance of having something that is going to go viral. So I'm just posting different styles of content from here, and all these contents from here, you don't have to create them yourself. You can go and find these contents right here on similar pages on TikTok, Instagram, and on Pinterest as well, and download them. You can go and repurpose those contents and post it to try to promote your own affiliate offers as well for 100% free. So if we go, for example, to right here, go, for example, to our accounts right here on Pinterest. So this is our second account that we created. You can see from here the content is still there, and you can see from here it's not yet showing me any analytics. So if I go, for example, to the analytics from here, you can see from here that if I refresh this, it's not yet showing me any analytics, and it's going to take some few days for this to be updated for me to see exactly how much traffic I'm getting from this particular Pinterest account. So I'll show you guys the other accounts right here. In the last video series, so this was our third account, and this was our fourth account right here that I'm posting consistently with links back to our affiliate offer. And in the coming days, I'm also going to go and create a lot more Pinterest accounts, because Pinterest is where you can go and create an account and post a lot of stuff fast without having to getting your account blocked. So if you're going to do, for example, post 10 videos on Pinterest, in one day your account is going to get blocked, and you're not even going to be able to post up to 10 videos in one day. But on Instagram, on Pinterest, you can go and post a lot more videos in one day, and you can go and create a lot more accounts easier than on Pinterest, than on Instagram and TikTok. So I'm just going to go and create a lot more accounts in the coming days on Pinterest. So go back to the other Pinterest accounts. So this was our first Pinterest account, and it's still getting views. So if let's come back right here, so I see from here it's still getting views. This is our first account. You can see from here we're still getting impressions every single day, and we're still getting clicks for people clicking and going back to our affiliate offer. As you can see, the more you start posting, if you take, for example, 30 days and you keep posting consistently on Pinterest, Instagram, for example, TikTok, you're going to see that by the end of that 30 days, you're going to grow a following on those different social media accounts, and you can actually make your first sale using 100% free traffic by just doing that and posting consistently every single day. So let me show you guys the Instagram accounts from here. So you can see these are Instagram accounts, and on this particular Instagram account, if you are going to see, I'm not actually posting a lot more videos on here because I've actually been action blocked. So on this particular Instagram account, when I post, the video is going to be blocked, so it's going to take me some few days before I can start posting some videos from here, because Instagram don't want you to go and mass post videos. So you're going to make sure to be posting and be spacing out the videos so that you're not going to get blocked from posting videos on Instagram. So on this particular account, I can no longer post some videos. It's going to take me some few days, then I'm going to start posting back on this particular account. And on this other account right here, you can see we're still getting views as well, but I'm still able to post on this particular one. So I'm still going to be posting on this one, and I'm going to be collaborating this particular account with this second one. So I'll just post a video on this one, and I'm going to collaborate it with this one. As you can see from here, this particular video right here, I posted it on here, then I choose to tag, and then I tag this other account right here, so that this account is not just going to be blank, since it has been action blocked from posting videos. So that's it, guys. So I'm just going to be doing this and posting consistently, and hopefully we're going to make our first sale very soon, as we're getting traffic and clicks every single day. So that's it, guys. So leave a like on this video and share this video so that others can also come and follow this challenge and build their own audience and start making money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic, and also follow this challenge, and so also subscribe to the channel. So that is it. I'm going to see you in the next video.